Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kasha, and in today's video I'm very excited because I'll be doing an amazing unboxing for this crystal UHD 55 inches 2020 Samsung TV. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm really excited because I want to see how the 8 series of Samsung TV looks like. So first of all, what made me choose this TV is it's the latest one. It's the 2021, but we are 2021, but yeah, it's 2020, and it's the 8 series, and it's crystal, and the most amazing thing is a 4K UHD TV. Yeah, and another thing is it gives you the details, you know, the details, the small details. Whether the artist has a pimple, it gives you everything. You get to see like the details. I will not unbox with you guys because I'm waiting for the technician to come, and it needs a professional attention, which we are waiting for the technician to come and mount it on the wall. Let's go and see what the professional has to do, and then I'll test it for you guys.
A few moments later.
So the TV, it's a Samsung 2020 model. The TV it can be able to upscale the content from lower resolution to higher resolution. It's remote also, and you're browsing. It has the voice command, as you can see. So by the time maybe you are YouTube or Netflix, you can voice command your movie or your song, and then it brings up. You can also be able to do that with the Apple devices. You can also cast it. And again, with this TV, you can also work from home with it because you can be able to access your computer files with it. For example, if you have a Microsoft account, so the TV has this app called Remote Access. Yeah. So with the remote access, you just key in your credentials, and then you get your files right there. Yeah. It has Bluetooth also. So with this home theater, you just connect it wirelessly. Yeah. So it's a nice. Yeah. So now, you go to source. Now this is the one that I was telling you, the remote access. Yeah, so when you have the Microsoft account, you can be able to store your computers, maybe in the office, and you come home, you just key them in. Yeah, so we have the connection guide. This is where you access your audio devices like Bluetooth, Miracasting, yeah, all of them. So you get it there. So like Bluetooth, let's come to Bluetooth. And then now we say next, set up now, and then from there it will scan the available devices, and then it will be paired. Okay, the TV itself, it has more than 200 apps. So the moment you open a Samsung account, when you create or you open, if you have it, you'll be able to access all those applications. Yeah, we have music, movies, kids, all of them. Yeah, they are here, yeah. So it's a nice TV.
This is where you get the best of the best content. I'm not feeling really well. I'm really having a flu, but yeah, I hope I'll shoot the next video feeling better. Yeah, without any further ado, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.